Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. The video of today is all about the gaming controller from Lenovo. It captured my attention and I decided to just grab this kind of controller since my controller was acting up. Not only acting up, this kind of controller, I've been using it for a while. I'm talking about almost 2 years, if 3 years, if not mistaken. It's a little bit a while, so I decided just to grab it, another different controller. Okay, speaking about different controller, this is the Lenovo controller. Such an amazing kind of controller from Lenovo. It's called LENOVO S02, and we're gonna be unboxing this kind of bad boy, see what's so packed inside. So guys, here we have it. This is our controller. As you can spot it, really nice and packed, and we're gonna be unboxing it and we check it out what's so special about this kind of controller, because I'm really thrilled to see this kind of controller since my other controller is acting up, especially when it comes to analog drifting. It's really kind of crazy. So there we go, really sleek. Okay, not bad. We're having the controller in here, and what do we have next? Cables. You're getting some cables over here, which is quite not bad. USB-C. And what else are you getting over here? Okay, you're getting some paperwork, I believe so, and some, are these stickers or something? Okay, it's not stickers. So these are paperwork throughout Lenovo, so as you can read and just check it out. So that's it. So we're left with our controller. Really nice, not bad. Kind of like it, not bad at all. It's clicky, you can hear the clicks, and at the back this is how it is. And on this side there's a USB-C port, and not bad. The build quality, I can say it's a little bit mid-range, not like the way Xbox controller feels. This kind of controller feels a little bit different. It feels more cool. This one, it feels like clicky. Everything is clicky in here. Not bad, but yeah. So pairing it, I guess, or starting it, just hold that, and it has like an RGB throughout here on the analog to showcase you what's going on. Really quite not bad. And you can even use this kind of stuff which I bought, I don't remember the name, but it's like an analog extender. So you just have to keep it on your other analog, just like that, to give it much better gripping. So whenever I'm playing, let's say Fortnite or other kind of shooting games, it's just easier for me to maneuver compared to the smaller kind of analog I'm used to. So this is an analog enhancer or an analog resizer, how can we call it? I guess so. So really cool throughout this kind of controller. Not bad. It's a budget friendly, so do not expect high much throughout the build quality to be something top notch so much, but by far I can say this, it's really dope throughout this kind of controller. So guys, to pair your controller with the PC, just hold home key plus X so as it can flash green. And right now we're gonna be entering throughout the Bluetooth kind of mode, and we pair it on our Windows machine here. Okay guys, there we go. We are playing Cuphead. That's how the gameplay it is throughout there. Really cool, and yeah, I kind of like it, the way you just clutch, and the controller, it just gives it a really good vibe. Can't complain at all. So guys, another kind of cool feature which I like about this controller, whenever you just want to change the lighting, the RGB, you can hold turbo, and this one, just like that, you can spot it. It's just adapting the color you want. Maybe green is what you like, or this one is what you like, or this one, or this one. Just it's just cycles throughout there, and you can even turn off the whole RGB coloring. So when you turn it on, it's just cycle throughout that kind of RGB, which I kind of like it, not bad. But having a constant kind of lighting, it's way much better, I find it. But depends with your personal preferences. So guys, between the Xbox controller and the Lenovo, which I find it's really worth it, I can say both of these controllers, they're really good. It's just depending with you what you really like. But for the Lenovo side, I can say this is way more better compared to this one from Xbox, because this one it has a little bit of flows. Though I like it, the triggers, they're really good, they're silenced, they're really on the way there. This one, they're a little bit clicky, like you just press it. This one, whenever you press it, you can't hear that much kind of sound. You can just This one is a little bit clicky much, but when it comes to design wise and even the quality wise, I can say Xbox is top notch, but the Lenovo is just okay. We're giving you something budget, so just know that throughout there. But throughout usage, I can't say it's a bad controller. It's such an amazing controller. It offers you variety of devices throughout pairing, and you can the only downside through Lenovo, if you want to connect with a 2.4 gigahertz dongle, you have to buy it separate. That's a kind of knockoff. I don't know why they did that, but you can use Bluetooth, you can use wired through USB-C. Still, it's playable, no bad. I've been playing Cuphead through the machine, and I'll try other games like Need for Speed Unbound, and I'll try like Fortnite and other kind of games which I can clutch in throughout this kind of Lenovo S02 controller. So by far I can say it's such a great controller. On the scale of 10 to 0, how much I'm going to be rating this controller? Well, I'm going to give it around 9. No bad throughout Lenovo kind of controllers. So it captured my attention for the first time. I'm seeing Lenovo having a controller, but this is kind of crazy, but it's kind of cool for the Lenovo side to keep up through all what they're doing. And this is really nice for a budget friendly kind of controller. It's really worth it. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about grabbing this kind of Lenovo S02 controller. Do you think about grabbing it, or you're thinking like, let me just grab Xbox controller? Though these kind of controllers from Lenovo, they're so budget and they're really good. It's just depending with you what type of preference you prefer. So that's it guys. Up to the next one. You're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'm gonna be catching you guys on the next tech video. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.